What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. Today we're going to be discovering another amazing company in Cameroon, precisely in Africa. We have OnDjoss. And so what is OnDjoss? Well, OnDjoss is our locally made WhatsApp. To put it simply, it's our locally made WhatsApp where you're going to be having conversation, chats, and everything that you can WhatsApp does. You're going to definitely find it on here. So let's check out what OnDjoss is on your website. OnDjoss. Okay, so just give me a quick second to translate it to English. All right. So yes, as you can see, OnDjoss is a messaging app designed by Africans for the world. And so yeah, as you can see already a little presentation of what it looks like. You can see here the developers. And so let's check out the features. I think that's the most important thing. So the features, you have messages, you have voicemails, security, group discussion, files, calls. You can check out on the storage section. The application is cloud-based, unlimited storage, automatic backup, synchronized, and secure. In terms of configuration, you have the settings where you can configure your sounds, your confidentiality, security, and basically your discussions. So I'm sure WhatsApp is a pretty much popular app by now, and I think what they are going for over here is to replicate that and maybe add some additional features which will really which is geared towards the African community. So let's check out a little video presentation about this. Yeah, so as you can see, it's a messaging app which has really amazing features and is basically aims to replicate WhatsApp. That's as simple as I can put it. So I definitely encourage you to check it out, to install it, and really to support a locally growing startup which is trying to make its way into the very competitive world of messaging apps. So let's definitely check it out on Play Store and see how it's doing. As you can see, this is the app on Play Store. It has over 100,000 downloads, so it's really growing on smoothly. And you can see some similar apps as well from the producers or from developers, but I think these ones are just from other developers. Yeah, so you have a little description about the app as well, and yeah, you have other details. While the reviews are pretty good, that means it's working at least decently. You can see what people think about the app. Yeah, so definitely check out this locally made WhatsApp called OnDjoss and get into the chats, get into the conversations, and see if they provide some additional features that you might be interested by. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.